So here we are. I'm about to cut this plexiglass. So this is 24 by 36 and it's about 4.5 millimeters thick. So I already cut one side and now I need to cut the other side. I already measured, and the way I'm going to prepare this is make sure that I have a piece of wood lined up with the measurement that I want. So once it's cut almost through, I can break it. So I'm just going to use my square to make sure this is going to be a straight cut. Even though I traced the line, this is going to be my way to make sure that it's cut straight. And just to make sure I will secure with these. And I want to make sure that it's all lined up. And the other side. So to cut plexiglass, you have different options. You'll see different videos on YouTube. I found a few on YouTube, so I'll show you this one way. One way you can cut it, which is with this tool. It's sold at the Home Depot. It's like $5. I bought it just in case I needed it. Utility knife, that's up to you. I'm going to use that, but also I'm going to use my to-go-to tool. So make sure you're wearing safety glasses. So I was able to trace my line. It's square now with this uncut side. And what I want to make sure of is that I have a black marker. There's still a film on this, protective film. So basically, the protective film allows me to have that marker on, and once it's cut, it's not on the plexiglass, so that I wouldn't know how to remove it. So I'm going to first start cutting through the plastic just a little bit, but not too long, because then it gets heated up and it melts the plastic. So I just want to make sure that I have a first line so I can cut through with a knife, okay? Here we go. I think that's about enough. So I'm just excuse the background noise. They're building behind our place. They're almost done. Just like I'm almost done with my project. So I'm just gonna keep cutting through until I can bend it. So I did not get to the end, so I'm gonna have to do the ends right here on each side. The sides, I couldn't get it with my tool. So make sure your table is not wobbling like mine is. You gotta make it two passes, so I'm going to move that. that did not get to go here. I don't want to do too much. I'm just so excited about this piece to be cut. I just picked this up from the Home Depot. The 24 by 36. It's at $60. It's the same price at Lowe's for those that are trying to shop around. I already looked. Okay, sounds like the noise behind is done. Okay, that's a good sign. Gotta keep going. That's a brand new blade, but that's a thick plexiglass, so I'm gonna get through that thing. Just a matter of time. Patience, as they say, patience is a virtue. I don't quite have that patience. So I'm using this plexiglass versus using glass. My previous experience with glass was not that good. I bought 3 pieces. One piece from the Home Depot. I think I paid like 25 bucks. I tried to cut it using the right tool and it broke. So I went and bought another one, but instead of cutting it myself, I took it to a shop. They cut it to size perfect. I brought it home. It fits just perfect. And then after I brought it home, I put it down on the floor and it just broke. So I went and grabbed the third one from my trunk, but somehow it got caught with something else. And as I picked it up, it snapped. Basically, I paid 3 pieces for 75 bucks and I lost it all. So I figured plexiglass might be the way to go. Okay, the noise is gone. Good goody. Okay, that should do it. Ooh, it's good. It's coming. A little more. Gotta take it easy, because I'm always too excited. And I go fast, and I break things. So I'm just gonna go safe. gotta go a few more passes just to be on the safe side. If I snap it, then I don't want to go to Home Depot again. Okay. Okay, I think we did it. We did it, but not one piece. So that's the plastic. That's from when I broke my glass, but you see it's like 2.5 millimeters. It's really thin, it just makes no sense. Alright, so that last piece, we're gonna get it this way. I'm not gonna risk it. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna do a test, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed for that matter. Always put away your tools. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. Let's go check out the dry fit. See if it'll work. Alright. Okay, it looks like it's not measured properly, unless I put it the wrong direction. Alright, so we're gonna have to do some fixing here. So this is the door I fixed. I put it up myself. Alright, that's too bad. It's alright, so I'm gonna have to add to this video. I'm gonna have to adjust it and then install it. But that's pretty much how you cut a plexiglass. Not to size, because I have to go over it, but at least to cut through. Thank you for watching, and look for more of my videos. You can subscribe, like it, tell me what I did wrong, what I did right. But so far, something I did wrong is that it's not cut right. So always measure twice, cut once. I'm still happy that I got to cut through, and now I just need to adjust it. Peace, guys. Thank you for watching.